Welcome to this video on the best 8 prescriptive maintenance tools for rotating equipment reliability. We'll provide an expert evaluation of platforms transforming asset performance, operational safety, and downtime mitigation across manufacturing environments. Rotating equipment failures are a primary cause of unplanned downtime in various industrial settings. Assets like motors and pumps operate under high stress, requiring immediate diagnostics. A strong platform features continuous monitoring to capture raw data like vibration and temperature instantly. It includes AI-driven diagnostics for root cause identification and actionable instructions to guide maintenance actions. Tool 1, Infinite Uptime, is an end-to-end framework using unified wireless sensors and AI-powered fault diagnostics. Tool 2, SKF Enlight AI, combines standard condition tracking with advanced analytics, leveraging deep mechanical knowledge. Tool 3, Siemens Sensei, is an enterprise-scale platform prioritizing site standardization and automatic baseline construction. Tool 4, Emerson AMS, is known for machinery protection, robust transient analysis, and supporting high-value assets in hazardous fields. Tool 5, Baker Hughes Cordant, focuses on linking raw hardware telemetry with business logic and aligning shop floor actions with core corporate goals. Tool 6, ABB Ability, is designed for advanced power and driveline systems, seamlessly blending electrical and mechanical telemetry. Tool 7, C3 AI Reliability, is an enterprise intelligence model, integrating massive operational data streams and processing diverse database structures. Tool 8, Honeywell Forge APM, merges physical load constraints with real-time thermodynamic metrics for process optimization. For long-term reliability, ensure the platform aligns with your facility's system maturity. Focus on action-oriented guidance, and move away from calendar-based maintenance to targeted actions that extend asset life. Continuous asset security represents the essential transformation, from predicting problems to implementing automated solutions for industrial reliability. Building resilient operations involves optimizing plant efficiency, cost, and machine life through intelligent AI prescriptive analytics. These solutions are designed specifically for industrial maintenance and reliability leaders.